upgrade actually at the moment right now. And this is very sophisticated stuff. We've been working over 2 years to get to this point with our platform. So it's been heavy development, heavy engineering. We've looked at the space very deeply, and definitely the application in medical, and definitely the application at the enterprise. We're seeing much more traction than we're seeing on the entertainment and content side. There's no question for us. That might be different for you guys. I'm not sure what you're seeing, but the training needs and the corporations that have these huge expenditures to just get their workforce up and going, it's the first place that this technology is really going to take hold, and maybe not in an emotional way right away, maybe more in a practical, just getting learning a new skill kind of way. But I think that's still a valid way for this industry to really catapult. That if you're using it at work and you're being trained on VR, it'll be a little easier for you to pick it up and want to watch a beautiful piece of content, and you won't have the same aversion of just coming into it if you hadn't had that experience training.
I have 6 minutes left to give questions, but I want to give Ed and Jackie both an opportunity to address tools, since that's really the nature of this panel. I'm the East Coaster, I'll go with Jackie first.
Well,
What do you think of the state of the art of tools?
well, I think it's really interesting what you're saying, and I just feel like, if I'm understanding this correctly, that regardless of the tools, I mean, if you're not going to use the tools to create some sort of story, whether it's a training video or not, I mean, I just sort of feel like, you know, the new video that I watch on Delta Airlines or whatever airlines is showing me, the safety video is now a big song and dance number, is because that's more engaging than watching the guy standing up there holding a card pointing to things. You know, I'd much rather listen to Billy Connolly telling me the rules of how I, you know, put my seatbelt together. I don't know, I just sort of feel like entertainment really is at the corner of everything that we do, and if you can make anything more engaging, you're always going to get a better result. You know, and it doesn't mean everything needs a big, you know, Busby Berkeley synchronized swimming
And the Virgin
thing.
team, they're out of work right now, they're looking.
I know, well, yeah, we'll get them on speed dial. So that's sort of my feeling about tools. I've been very fortunate to